So they would break and go in here. And I'm sure some of them were injured.
You need forensics to handle. But remember that the results were okay.
Yes.
So this shop is 3 months old. 3 months old. 3 months old. This guy just got in now.
And this one is also free. They went in and they took the cell phones and so forth.
Yeah, we'll do that.
Is there damage inside?
They were overpowered.
Is there damage inside here? Let's go this way.
Yeah, what people collect from guns.
This is one of the busiest
It's always
the queues here.
queue.
They start at around
So this is where
5
people
in the
come in
morning.
Collect their grant.
to collect their grants.
So like the go-go's, we had 2 vaccination stations here.
Yes, we're in the center.
In the center, 2 of our vacant units. And then Clicks and these came also where do vaccinations.
Yes.
And obviously that's
Run away.
this game is one of the biggest in
Although here it's
And it's the business one.
busy.
For this one, it's busy.
so this is a busy mall.
It's very, I mean, on any
Honestly.
given day.
Lockdown, we were still getting plus minus 450,000.
Wow.
Hard lockdown.
Hard lockdown.
People walk here, they don't need to.
Yeah,
What is your occupancy rate here?
We are on 98%.
Wow. So that is big. That is big.
this way.
So yes. Yeah. You spoke to okay, no, that's
He says no, we will leave him.
yeah.
I'm not going anywhere.
Yeah. No, that's good. Mental